I heard you. What's up, big guy? Morning. You want to film video? Sure. Happy New Year's. Cool. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Starting off the morning right with the quick white claw. Quick vlog style to begin with. Freaking package hasn't come yet. I can't find my mini tripod, so I'm just gonna walk around the house and talk. Ian's still downstairs eating, prepping his liver for his first New Year's with NameBran, I'm pretty sure. Usually guy's nutty. You're definitely not walking out of here, like, at all. At least till the next morning. But he lives here, so we're still keeping safe with that, whatever it's called. But yeah, man, if you guys just want to show support, leave a huge thumbs up, comment down below. You guys have been dope. YouTube hasn't taken down videos of ours, so views are really shoddy right now, but it always comes back. Happens at least once a year. And 1,500 thumbs up within the day, we're giving away a free gold rope chain. And it's real gold too, so do it, boys. Once again, thank you. Cameraman, there's your tool. There's the weapon. How's Bracky? Good?
Yeah, it was good.
All prepped tonight?
Oh, yeah.
Have a couple drinks with the boy or what?
Yeah.
First New Year's together.
More than a couple, hopefully. Do I ask about the shirt or do you?
You ask about the shirt. I look like a douche if I bring it up.
Yeah, nice shirt, by the way.
Oh, this one? Thanks, man.
So anyway, what are we doing? What are we filming today?
Ian, you're supposed to ask me about it.
Oh.
I'm just playing it off kind of cool, you know?
Oh,
Like, make it look a little more natural.
That's a nice shirt.
Thanks, man.
Where do you get it?
Oh, man, I'm actually partnered with the NBA and YouTube. It's kind of like my network thing. And so the NBA actually gifted this to me one time with an NBA basketball. It's funny you asked that, man. Everyone needs a friggin' hype man around, you know? Just asking the right question. Yeah, no, it's one of my favorites. I could talk about it all day. NBA and NameBran, we're paired up. And sometimes if I go on their website or I just hit them up, mystery box time. Trick number 4.
Yes.
Still not here.
I think the guy's here.
The package?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so.
Just give me a sec.
Hey, you changed your shirt. Did you just put that on just so it would be in the video?
The hoodie? Yeah. It's a cool fact, boys. I'm sponsored by the NBA pretty much. This is nuts.
Yeah, well, it's not like you play for the NBA.
Did you already get it in here or what?
No, Ran, I already brought it in. It's right there.
Oh shoot. Holy hell.
Are you sure this is the right package though? Like it's already open.
Did you open that?
No, I didn't open that. It came like that, and it's all messed up. Looks like
what the hell?
I mean, that side's crushed. The top's already open. I don't know what. And the guy who delivered it was in a freaking U-Haul. Swear to God, he was in a U-Haul truck.
This is not a bit, boys. Oh, by the way, we haven't even discussed what we're doing. This is a Juice WRLD mystery box. I think the first one I've ever seen, if I am correct. Okay, great, awesome. That's opened. What do I do? Can I take a picture of it? It's weird. Anyway, boys, we got a Juice WRLD mystery box. That sucks. Although this has happened to me before, guaranteed. Juice WRLD mystery box, super dope. You guys know, actually, right here. Been a fan of the boy for a long time. I got him down here somewhere, bro. Where are they?
What are you looking for?
There we go. His old merch, man. Way before he passed. We got the 999 ones right here. I still haven't brought these puppies out, but this summer, love these to death. I've always loved Juice WRLD merch. I think some's kind of shoddy, to be honest, but I like the Velo and stuff that he does. I think Velo's really cool. Anyway, $250 gold mystery box. They called it $200, I'm pretty sure. Let's get into it. Not stoked about this being open, though. That's really weird.
Yeah, that is. That's like
that sucks. Although that doesn't look like a cut mark. I'm now just getting all CSI with this, but no, that just looks like a rip. Yeah, whatever. What can you do? Boys, Happy New Year. Thanks for vlogging with us today. Alright, boys, Juice WRLD mystery box. Let's get into it. Once again, 250 bucks or 200 bucks. I don't know. I'll have to double check that. This being open is super weird. But apparently with this mystery box, I don't want to show the inside. There's not a line here.
Yeah,
this is weird, bro. Apparently with this mystery box, you have a chance of getting like $1,000 worth of stuff. I'm not complaining when I say this, but that package being open is really weirding me out. Anyway, first thing we have here, we'll just check it all out. We still don't know what we got. First thing, boys, obviously, we got, oh, this is sick, actually. This is the newest album cover for Juice WRLD's album right here. And, oh, that's super nice. Honestly, I've always said it before, I don't really dig the material that 999, Juice WRLD's brand or whatever is people's brand. Feel that, man, it's thick.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's like a good quality. It's a solid quality. I just personally like my stuff like really loose at the back here, which is actually kind of cool and sad. You know, we got that right there, the death date and the born date, which sucks. But cool shirt right there, boys. You have no idea what we're looking at right here. This is nuts. we literally have 2 more shirts. Oh my god. Okay, next, I can already tell. No hate, man. I know people are like, oh, you know, the guy passed and da-da-da-da-da, but, you know, people still have their opinions. I'm not going to bite my tongue like too much. I'm obviously going to be respectful, but yeah, I could tell this one I wasn't going to like too much, but that's okay. It's still kind of, I just don't like green. The font's dope. We did get a long sleeve, I guess, so that should cost some. I'm trying to add up the money here, boys. I think you're supposed to get $250 worth of stuff in the $200 mystery box, but we got that on the side. It's not my style, honestly, boys. If we do the giveaway for the necklace, you guys get that amount of likes, then I will give away that with it, or to someone else. Okay, so that's the second thing. This is the third thing. We got one more. I'm not complaining, but it seems weird. Although this one's V-Loan. Let's go. Oh, dang. I think this shirt's a little more expensive. V-Loan being kind of designer-ish. He worked with Juice WRLD a lot. You see that one, Ian?
Oh, yeah.
That's hype, huh?
Oh,
we got the album cover right there, Juice WRLD, the V. And then on the front, Legends Never Die. That was his album. Man, this one's sick. The feel of this is actually a lot better.
Yeah, no, this one feels...
That's not bad at all. That's sick. Boys, let me know. I think this one, honestly, I didn't even see on the website what they were giving. This is something I definitely wear. I like the simple. Even on the back here, that's so hype. Love that. Oh, oh man. I gotta quit drinking.
Got
a whole night of that.
Jeez, try not to puke on the merch, man.
Yeah, alright, this is dope, man. This is sick. The other one's you know, this one's dope. But it's V-Loan, they do a good job, bro. Oh, I'm gonna wear that. I'm gonna wear that today. And last up, boys, what we got is this Juice WRLD book of encouragement. I gotta check out what's in that thing, man. The hell? What the hell is a book of encouragement?
I don't know.
What do you guys think, though?
I guess.
It's a book that encourages. You guys let me know down below, though. Do you think we got our money's worth? I guess we got a long sleeve and V-Loan. I don't know. I don't know about that. I wouldn't say it's Juice WRLD's camp doing anything. I think it's somebody stealing something out of my box.
Yeah, there was empty space in that box.
Right? For 200 and whatever bucks. Alright, let's check out the book, boys. Alright, Juice WRLD's book of encouragement. What is this? This is honestly a sick table piece. You just have an empty glass table in your room. I love that type of look. You guys know I like decorating. We ain't about to read this, bro. We are not about to read this.
Hey man, this package says the weight's 5 pounds.
5 pounds?
I don't think this thing weighed 5 pounds.
Do they weigh it, like, accurately?
I don't know. I think you have to for shipping, don't you?
Ian scheming. Are you saying that we should let's put this stuff in there and weigh it? If it's 5 pounds, and then we can see if we...
I don't know, man. I don't think...
Yeah, it does have to be accurate.
These 3 shirts in a little ass book, I don't see it being 5 pounds.
That's a good idea. Ian scheming. Okay, new plot to the video, because I think I got gypped, and I'm about to freaking phone up FedEx. I don't think it's Juice WRLD's people, because I saw a video of somebody doing this online, and they got like a lot of stuff for the same mystery box I got. Not complaining, I'm just curious. Yeah, so let's weigh this thing, boys. Although my scale isn't gonna handle 5 pounds, yo.
Oh yeah, it's not even gonna read.
Or you step. I'll step on the scale without it, and then I'll step on it with it, and we'll add the weight.
Yeah, sure.
Here, you hold that. Don't show the messy room.
Okay,
there goes my merch. All right, show this, bro.
And you
159.4.
Yeah.
All right. So then, if I put this on, in theory, right, it should be fine.
Yeah, it should. It should work.
159.4, Ian, you got the math. Let's hold this. 162.2. So that's like 3 pounds.
Yeah, a little under.
A little under. Boys, we might be missing a hoodie in here. Am I weird to say that?
I don't know, man. There'd be space for one more thing in there.
I'm calling a FedEx ASAP, and we put everything in there. The only thing we left out, boys, is these right here.
But like, it wasn't even a FedEx guy who dropped it off. He was in a U-Haul. Like what? Who was this person?
Well, they have my address from the package, so I'm not really worried about that, but
it's just
weird.
It's weird. It's really weird.
Anyway, I'm honestly mostly stoked about this white shirt and this book, dude. This book is sick. I'll give her a read later. Definitely when I'm at the point of the night where I can't read, but I think I can, and I'll probably enjoy it the best. So, anyway, boys, appreciate y'all for watching. There's the Juice WRLD mystery box. The first one I think I've ever seen out. Not too sure. Can't remember much of anything in life these days. Ian, my guy, flip it back off to you. Sign off.
Nice to see you, boys.
Let's go. Back in action. We're out of the action now. Happy New Year's holidays. Good. Boys, after further inspection, Ian doesn't even know this yet. Ian, The subtotal was $132 for the gold mystery box. I was looking at Canadian of $224 after $92 shipping.
Oh.
My bad, boys. Oh. Okay. Well, it was still like a good content. I just looked like an idiot for half the whole video. Sorry, boys. Yeah, 132 was the actual, so it all makes sense now. It all makes sense.
Yeah, no, that's actually.
Oh, my bad. Okay, well, this isn't new, so you guys are pretty
Still
used to
weird it
this.
showed up open, though.
Alright, well, the open thing I'll let go. I'll have a quick stern word with the FedEx driver next time. Anyway, my bad, boys. you do your research after the video. That's what happens every time. Come on, Brad.
Always wait until after the video.